Taming time. Mastering adverbs of frequency with simple past tense. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on adverbs of frequency. Today, we're going to learn how to use these adverbs with the simple past tense. So, let's jump right in and master the use of adverbs of frequency with the simple past tense. Before we dive into the main topic, let's refresh our memory. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens or happened. They include words like always, often, usually, sometimes, rarely, and never. The simple past tense is used to describe actions that were completed at a specific time in the past. For example, I played soccer yesterday. Now let's combine these two elements. When we use adverbs of frequency with the simple past tense, we're describing how often an action occurred in the past. These adverbs usually go between the subject and the main verb. Here are a few examples. 1. I often visited my grandmother during summer vacations. 2. She rarely missed a day of school. 3. They never ate at that restaurant again. Now, here's an important point. With the verb to be, the adverb of frequency goes after the verb, not before. For example, I was always a good student. And there we go. You've learned how to use adverbs of frequency with the simple past tense. I hope this video was helpful. Keep practicing these patterns, and you'll soon be using them with ease. Remember, English is a journey, not a race. Keep going at your own pace and enjoy the process. Until next time, happy learning!